Welcome. In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to find archived groups on Messenger using your PC. Follow these simple steps to access your archived groups. Step 1. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to messenger.com. This will take you to the Messenger website. Step 2. Once you are on the Messenger website, locate the Home option and click on it. This can usually be found in the left menu of the page. Step 3. After clicking on Home, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen next to the Chat section. You will see 3 dots. Click on them. Step 4. A drop-down menu will appear once you click on the 3 dots. From this menu, select the option that says Archived Chats. Clicking on this will take you to your archived groups on Messenger. By following these steps, you can easily access your archived groups on Messenger via your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.